All right, today I learned A major. So it's F sharps, G sharps, and C's? C's, F's, and G's. A, B, C sharp, D, E, F sharp, G sharp, A. Yep, it's 3 sharps, C, F, and G. F, F, G, 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 C, 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 C. Alright. I was learning in position 2. Alright, that was what I learned new. That was page 100. Page 100 of We'll Leave It, Berkeley book, so that's pretty cool. It's really come a long way. There are 124 pages. Oh. That's crazy. We're moving. Reviewed the major shape. The C7, or not C7, the 7th shape. What the? And, whoa. And how to name it. So this is, you can name it by the root on the 2. So that's a C7, a C sharp 7, a D7, and a D sharp 7, an E, F7, F sharp 7. I'm trying to get this squeaky when I move in to be less. G7, see right there. G sharp 7, silent. A7. A sharp 7. That's a B7. C7. B7. B flat 7. A7. A flat 7. G7. G flat 7. F7. E7. E flat 7. D7. E flat 7. C7. And then the little A shape. What is a major key? Major key. That's a major 7. Minor 7. Augmented. D9. D9. I've also practiced F major in position 2. So it'd be All right. Talk to you tomorrow, Sue.